What is up, legendary family? It's that boy Jose. We're back in another video today. Today I'll be giving you guys 7 or 8 different things that you can do to a Dodge Charger, Challenger, Chrysler, Trackhawk, anything Mopar that you can do to the interior to make it stand out compared to all the different cars that you're gonna be inside. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on the video. For the very first one that you guys should get for the interior that I would recommend would be carbon fiber parts. Honestly, this will make your whole interior look completely different just because your whole interior is carbon fiber, and whenever you get in the car, it would give it a way more aggressive look, especially your dash being black or whatever color this is. So like the whole thing would match, like as you guys can see. Like I've gotten this, but I need to go ahead and get this part right here. This also comes with carbon fiber. You can get it like this one. And also my whole dash, you can also get it as carbon fiber as the same one as this. And you can get all of these on Amazon. So if you guys want to get the whole interior, like dash, like the whole thing, carbon fiber, I would highly recommend. You don't have to get a carbon fiber like this color. You can honestly get the whole thing like different colors. Like I've seen one that like the whole thing was purple. So you can really do that. And it really just depends on what color you really want to have your interior looking like. So just choose your color and you can go with it. Like I'm not saying this is what exactly you need to do, but if that's what you like, go ahead and do it. For the second thing, let me go ahead and turn it on for you guys. For the second thing that you guys should do is RGB light strips or RGB strips for like lights and stuff. These will honestly make your whole interior look like a Mercedes-Benz. Like at nighttime, your interior is gonna look crazy. It's kind of hard to see right now, just because I'm recording this around like 5 o'clock. It's bright daylight, so it's not as dark. And I've also gotten these from like Amazon, so I didn't really want to spend around $400 on light strips or ambient lighting. So I just went ahead and got these little lights from Amazon, where I also installed it myself too. So it wasn't too bad. It wasn't anything crazy. It's just time consuming because you have to start over here and like push all the way in. It's just time consuming, but the whole process is not very hard. It's super easy, and it should take you maybe an hour or so to get the whole thing done. If you know how to like maneuver through here, you have to like open this in order to make the little light strips to go inside of it. The hardest part was for real probably the corners. Like these are really hard to actually put in just because it's a little tighter, so you have to put more muscle into it in order to get it to work. For the third thing that I would recommend to you guys, but I don't have it in my car just because that I haven't like really installed it yet, or I haven't gotten the lights to do it, will be starlights. As you guys can tell, I don't have any starlights in here, so. But I would recommend you guys to get the starlight if you could, because this starlight will actually make your whole interior look crazy. I've seen a bunch of people with starlights, and I really like them, but I just haven't really had the time to actually get the starlights, get them done, get them installed or whatever. Just because like I'm always busy with sports, playing football and stuff, so I don't really have much time to do anything for real outside of going to school, practice, or workouts and stuff. So starlight, I would recommend to get it done, just because if you want the the Rolls Royce, that's where you need to go. So you would have Mercedes, Rolls Royce up here, And then over here, I'm going to my next point, which is the next thing that you guys should do would be a carbon fiber steering wheel. Like the carbon fiber, I'm going to put a picture of it, of what I'm talking about exactly. The carbon fiber steering wheel would be crazy. I know, like, if you have a RT, then there's no reason for you to actually get a carbon fiber steering wheel, because, like, you probably not going to stay with their car. You probably going to get an upgrade sometime soon. Or you could get the carbon fiber one. There's one that has, like, the whole carbon fiber. You can get it with lights that starts up here, and, like, it goes down here and down here also. It shows you, like, your RPMs, your gauges, a bunch of different things. I've never had one, but that's one thing I really want to get, is a carbon fiber steering wheel. I really like how they look. It just makes the whole inside of the car super aggressive. And, like, the steering wheel compared to this one is like 10 times bigger. I mean, I wouldn't say bigger. Let me reword that. It's more like bulkier. It just makes everything look super huge.
Boy, if you don't get...
No Diddy. Pause. So I would recommend the steering wheel just because it gives your whole car a racing look to it. Whenever you hit the gas, you can see the little lights going up. And if you're going way too fast, like, the lights will turn red and they start beeping. And, like, it's kind of cool. I'm gonna put a picture for you guys so you guys can see and, like, know what exactly I'm talking about. For the next thing, the red guts. I know I don't have it, but I really want the red guts, just because that if I, like, allow one of my friends to take pictures in my car, then they can show out the red seats, because the red seats never miss. That's one thing I will say. Those will never miss. Like, you always gonna get right with the red seats, even if it's a cover. Like, it don't matter if you have a cover or anything like that, but if you have the red seat, or, like, your whole interior done, like, it's red, and because the red is always going to look good, so it really don't matter for real on how it look. It just getting it done that really takes time to actually do it. So if you do that, then it will look good, especially when you take pictures. Like, if you're trying to look light skinned, I don't know, you feel me? Like, it don't matter. Like, you can still do that and post the picture. Cause, like, look, you can take a picture and just imagine your whole interior being red. Like, you know how clean that would be? I ain't gonna cap. I really want to get the interior red. I'm thinking about getting some seats covers, but I don't really know. I feel like I would have to, like, see what it looks like on another car before I get it, because that's the type of person I am. If I don't see it, then it's kind of hard for me to actually do it. And I mean, it's not hard, but I just don't want to buy it and it don't really look good. And I just basically wasted my money, because I don't like returning stuff. That's, like, low-key pointless for real. But it's good to save your money whenever you return it. For the sixth thing that I will recommend to get, I don't have one right now, but floor mats. I think the floor mats that I have are just regular. Like, they don't have anything. You can get Scat Packs, Hellcat, SRT ones. The floor mats are really dope. Like, if you get the right one, they can actually look super dope. So, floor mats, I highly recommend that you guys get them. Floor mats is number 6, I believe, 6 or 7. Another thing that you guys should get that would really make your interior stand out from other different cars is seatbelt. you know, people always put their seatbelt on. That's the first thing that people do when they get in the car. So the seatbelt being red, like that would really catch a lot of people attention just because it's red. And it's something that's super noticeable whenever you do get in the car. It's super easy to actually see it. So I would probably say get the seatbelt done also. If you get the red guts, that's Mando. Seatbelts. You got to get them red. For the honorable mention, like the last one I would highly recommend you guys to do is these 1930 lights. These lights are like not very bright at all. Like I ain't gonna lie to you guys. They low-key not bright. So get them replaced. Get a lighter one because you just need some light in your car. And it's not light enough, honestly, for real. I mean, not to my liking. With those, you can also get, I don't know if you guys can tell, but like that light, you can get it changed out to where it shows on the floor. I think they're called puddle lights. You can get those. Those are really nice at nighttime. They look really good. I had a friend who had I'm trying to think, I think it was a Ford. Like he had a Ford and like it lights up at nighttime whenever he opens the door, and it was red. It was super aggressive, but yeah. I appreciate you guys for tapping in to the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.